PHEI profile. Accessed through View PHEI profile, PHEI profile's email address is intended as medium for communication with National Secretariat, thus it is highly advised to ensure it is the official email address of your PHEI. It is also a system mandatory requirement which must be set in order to create billing statement. To save email address, click Update button. The system shall prompt a message to confirm that the email address has been successfully saved. Input HEI's barangay or district, the street address, telephone number, fax, and mobile number. Click Update button to save the details. The system shall prompt a message to confirm that the mentioned details have been successfully saved.